Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm doing this red Christmas set using the FEMI Beauty Lazy Girl method. So if you're interested to see how I did this set, then keep on watching. So I'm going to start off with unboxing or showing you guys some products that I have received. These are the GlowTips gel polishes and this I believe was part of the summer collection. As you can tell from the colors. However, I did want to get a video out using these products for you guys because it was just really overdue. I'm really sorry if it's just been taking long. So I'm just showing you guys the shade names and the colors. I'm using this color today. It's like a pastel red and I thought it would complement this other red that I'm using, you'll see in a minute, really well too. So this blue was actually my favorite shade. I really like it and I like the name of it too. It's called Scorpio, and there are also other colors in this collection that you can use, I believe, so do check that out. I will link her brand down below in the description box and any discount codes that I have as well, so do remember to check that out down below. I also want to say this packaging is really nice and different. I'm like a really big fan of the square bottles. I love the square bottles more than anything. So yeah, great job on these. I really like them. So next I'm using a little something from Madame Glam. This is shade Stardust and it's like a nice kind of, it's not very yellow gold, but as you can see it's like a champagne kind of gold. And I thought this would be great for this look. I'm also using this super perfect Christmas red shade that I got from this other brand. I can't pronounce the name, but yeah, I'm also using my white, my Polygel from GlowTips, and these really cute 5D, as it said on the website, nail stickers. These are like, have this weird thickness to them, but they are really nice and it makes it look like you kind of drew them on. So I really I'm a fan of these stickers. I love them so much and they did look really good on the set. So yeah, thank you for the brand, whoever sent me this. I will link it down in the description box below. I'm forgetting because there's just like a bunch of brands in this video. Then I have this e-file, and this was like a one of those like more portable e-files. It wasn't like the full-on big e-file that you can kind of have more power with. This is like a less powerful e-file, but it's like more portable. But I didn't find that this e-file was like that great, and I'll explain a bit more about that in a minute. It also comes with instructions, which yeah, they weren't that accurate, but you know, they were fine. I did, however, like the drill bits. I like the drill bits that it came with, and they were all diamond bits, so I was able to use this today to prep. And straight off the bat from using it, with this bit, it was completely fine. I didn't feel like any vibrations or anything. I felt like that bit was doing a good job at cleaning up my cuticles. I don't have a lot because I clean up my cuticles quite a bit anyway from nail prep that I do from my other videos, so I don't like to do this too thoroughly, but it did do a good job at removing any of that big stuff that was in the way on over the top, as you can see. And then for today's video I will be going in with a peel off a base coat. This is one from Aunt Global and I'm just applying this to all my nails, and that takes about 2 minutes to dry. And this stuff is really good. I've been using this for a while. I'm then going in with my XXL full cover nail tips, and this is what I'm using for the FEMI Beauty Lazy Girl method, which is basically where you put the product inside the tip as opposed to on top of the tip, if that makes sense. So this red is a really nice like, it looks really neon on camera, I'm not sure why, but it's like a really good true red. It is a bit more on the bright side, but it looks really good, and I really like this kind of red rather than the deeper tone reds, if that makes sense. So I'm just painting that red inside the full cover nail tip, and I've cured that fully. Then I'm going in with the GlowTips clear polygel and their base coat as slip solution. I'm also using their polygel brush to smooth that out just a little bit. You want to leave a little bit of thickness there again for your apex, because that's going to give you structure. And you then want to pop that on the nail, just like that. And I found that even if I had the gel polish on top of the polygel, like covering it, it was still able to cure through the polygel. So it's not like it stopped the curing process, it still was able to cure through. So I'm basically doing that for 2 of the fingers, because that's just the design I had in mind for these 2. I'm going to be doing the design on top. I haven't yet tried doing like gel polish designs inside the nail tip. I don't think I'm that gonna be that good at that yet, so I'm might try that out for another video, because if that works then that would be great, and it also saves a lot more time. But for now I'm gonna stick to doing the design over the top, so you'll see later I'll do the design like after all the nails are on. And this shade here is the pink nude shade, I believe, from GlowTips. Yeah, GlowTips. And again, using their base coat as slip, just to smooth out that polygel. Just use a very light hand, and you don't need too much. If you do use too much, it's always good to remove any extra, and that will be just fine, because you don't want it to kind of like flood your cuticles or go on your skin. You want the area to be very seamless. And if you do get some and you've already cured it, then remember you can always go in later and file, which is what I will be doing today. I found that I needed to kind of file around my cuticle area. So I've kept this little mistake in the video. I had a little air bubble, so I'm just showing you guys how to get rid of that. So I'm just poking where I saw the air bubble, and once that's gone I just fill it in again. It's like super easy to fix. So if you guys do come across that problem, then it's easily fixable to just kind of fix it back with your brush. And then popping that on, positioning, you want to push down just a little bit. Don't push down all the way, because of course you will get all that product to squeeze out on the sides. You definitely want to just put a little bit of pressure. Make sure it's somewhat flush to your cuticle. It may not always be perfect, but that's what filing is for. Maybe if it's not like going too flush to your cuticle, it could also be because you put too much, but not that much to the point where it floods. So just keep trying with different amounts, and you will get the hang of it. I also like to kind of slide the tip up to the cuticle area just a little bit, because it prevents all the polygel squeezing out, if that makes sense. Like it kind of levels itself before it reaches the cuticle, so it prevents it from flooding it. And yeah, that's pretty much all I do for this method. It's super easy. Again, this is the FEMI beauty method. She calls it the lazy girl method, I believe, and that's what I'm using today. And I also used this video in my previous video, which I will link down below if you guys are interested in that. And I also have used these polygels from GlowTips in a bunch of my other videos, which I will try to link down below. Otherwise you could just look through my videos and hopefully find them there. But it is a great brand, and I really like their products so far. I love the aesthetic of it. I think it's just such a nice brand that definitely needs more recognition. So here I am filing. So this is where I encountered a small problem. I first found that it was very uncomfortable to file with this nail file. I found that it was vibrating so much and it was just not comfortable on the nail at all. I did try to hold like my fingers to like reduce the vibration, but it just wasn't very comfortable. So here I am just kind of struggling through it, and that's pretty much it. I only did a little bit. I didn't need too much, but yeah, I did just do less than I would like to, let's just put it that way. So now I'm going in with Stardust from Madame Glam. This is from their new collection. I will be doing a whole dedicated video to their new collection gel polishes that they have sent me. And I'm also using these really adorable like sequins slash little decorations that I got from the Rosalind Polygel kit. It was a really good kit. I did do a video on this. I believe it was the previous video. Yeah, I've done a video on this a couple of days ago, and I said I would use these charms, so this was like the perfect look to use these for. I really like how it just ties in with the gold. I just thought it was such a nice touch, and I'm just top coating that nail once it's done. And then for this nail, it's gonna be your classic candy cane nail. I like to do like some very rough outline nails, and then I like to thicken them up slash neaten them up in a minute, as you can see. And I'm also going to be taking some of that gold because it was just really nice. I really wanted to incorporate the gold. I feel like red and gold is such a classic, well, I don't feel, it is a really nice classic Christmas combination, and I really wanted to create a look that was based off those colors. So this gold was a super nice touch. Again, we'll be having a dedicated video for the Madame Glam gel polishes that they've sent me. And if you do want to save 30% off, you can use my discount code CAMIN30 at Madame Glam checkout. And this one is not an affiliate link, so it's just for you guys to enjoy. Now moving on to my favorite part of the video, I'm using the 5D nail stickers. These were so adorable. Like, I really liked how these looked. I felt like these, just from afar, I feel like you can like maybe feel like they have been hand drawn, maybe, if I'm not wrong. But yeah, I just felt like these were so great, and they stuck on very well. Like, there was no lifting. Even though they were a little bit thick, like there was absolutely no like lifting or peeling of them. So yeah, these were an absolute amazing treat to have, and I'm really grateful that this company reached out to me. I will link them down below. And I also have like some other products from them. I will have them also mentioned in the title of the video in case you haven't already seen. I just can't remember names of brands right now. So yeah, sorry about that, but I might have to actually link them on screen as well. Maybe I might do that. So yeah, if not, check out the description box, it will be there. And for this nail, it's kind of like, I don't know, like a present wrap nail, I would say, and using that gold again, of course, to bring out some of the gold tones in this set. So I really like how this nail looked. It's probably my second favorite. The snowflake nail is probably my most favorite. So if you guys haven't already, please don't forget to hit the like button. It would really help me out. It only takes a second to press, so I'll be really grateful if you could just drop me a like and maybe a comment on which nail is your favorite so far. For me, it has to be the snowflake nail, and then it's followed by the present wrap nail. I definitely like that one. I like how it's simple as well. So yes, let me know down in the comment section below. I'm then doing some top coats. Since most of the nails are done, I will be adding a quick charm as well to the pinky finger. But the GlowTips top coat is really amazing. I have used their top coat for a while, not this one particularly. I don't know if the formula has been updated, but overall, like, their top coats have been really amazing and have a really nice, like, thick consistency, which makes them last longer, and they're just much shinier. So these charms, again, from the brand who sent the nail stickers, we'll link them down below or have it on screen. Sent me these really cute charms. Some of these are Christmas themed. You can see the Christmas tree. I was really like thinking it would look nice on there, but it was kind of a bit too big, so I went for the gold round one, just adding some base coat on the underside and placing that on and curing it. You could get away with Polygel, which is probably a better idea as well, finishing up with cuticle oil. And this is it for the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. Let me know down in the comments which nail was your favorite. It was so fun to create this, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.